Let's be real, you don't look bad. But you don't look finished either. Something's off. Your face doesn't command attention. Your presence doesn't pull the room. And deep down, you feel it every time you see your reflection. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 things that are secretly making you look less attractive and how to fix them fast. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why some guys level up effortlessly while others stay stuck looking meh forever. Let's begin. Mouth breathing ruins your facial structure faster than aging. It elongates your face, weakens your jawline, and gives you that tired, low-energy look, the opposite of masculine dominance. Train yourself to keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth, lips closed, and breathe through your nose 24/7. This alone activates the muscles that naturally pull your face upward and forward. Forget gimmicky, mewing tutorials. This is real muscle engagement, not TikTok jaw yoga. Sleeping on your stomach or one side every night crushes your face asymmetrically. It causes puffy eyes, uneven jawlines, and one cheekbone higher than the other. Start sleeping on your back with your head slightly elevated. It improves lymph drainage and keeps your bone structure aligned. Use a memory foam pillow. I've linked my recommended one in the description. You think you're aging, but your skin is just dehydrated, dry. Dull skin makes you look tired and lowers perceived status instantly. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily and add electrolytes once a day. Bonus: cut caffeine after noon. It drains your hydration like crazy. Forget anti-aging creams. Hydration is the real glow-up formula. Most guys are overwashing and over-exfoliating, killing their skin barrier. This leads to redness, dull tone, and that splotchy teenager look. Wash once a day, night, moisturize twice, and use a gentle cleanser, not the drugstore garbage filled with alcohol. I've linked a dermatologist-approved minimalist routine below. Looking down at your phone all day shortens your neck muscles, ruins your posture, and gives you that beta hunch. It literally makes your jawline disappear. Every 30 minutes, pull your chin back and look forward, not down. Stretch your neck daily and keep your screen at eye level. It's a micro habit, but it visibly reshapes your presence within weeks. You can fix your jawline, your posture, your skin, but if you still think like an average man, you'll look like one. Low confidence, lazy body language, and stress all distort your face. Literally. Control your habits. Sleep early, eat clean, move with intent. Your body listens to your mind. Change that, and everything sharpens. Remember, genetics are just your foundation. Discipline is the sculptor. You're not ugly, you're unfinished. Fix these 6 things, and your reflection will finally match the man you were supposed to become. If you found value in this, subscribe for more transformation blueprints, and check the links in the description for every product I mentioned. Your face is your resume. Start upgrading it today.